India and China are holding top military talks on the Chinese side of the border to discuss the Galwan face-off and other points of dispute today. The last time a meeting at this level was held was on June 6th, when India and China agreed to pull back troops in attempts to de-escalate after weeks of tension and build-up. The disengagement process was stalled last week by the worst ever border confrontation between the Chinese and Indian armies since 1967. BJP responded to former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's statement on the Galwan clashes, where he reminded the centre that disinformation is no substitute for diplomacy or decisive leadership. BJP replied, one only wishes that Dr. Singh was as worried about Chinese designs when, as Prime Minister, he abjectly surrendered hundreds of square kilometres of India's land to China. BJP President JP Nadda alleged that the UPA personified systematic institutional erosion of that office combined with disrespect for our armed forces. NDA has reversed that, he wrote. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh left for a 3-day visit to Russia today, where he will attend the Victory Day parade. He will meet his Russian counterpart Sergei Shoigu, and the spike in border tensions with China is set to figure in the discussions. A day before his departure, Singh met Chief of Defence Staff and the 3 service chiefs, asking them to keep a strict vigil along the line of actual control, where a week ago 20 Indian soldiers were killed in a border skirmish with Chinese soldiers. Addressing the press, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal said that our country is fighting 2 wars against China, one at the border and another against the virus from China. We have to remain united to fight both. None of these should be politicized. Kejriwal also said that Delhi's testing had nearly trebled. Before this, the centre had directed the Delhi government to report every COVID-19 case to it. Sanjay Jha, the Bihar Minister for Water Resources, claimed that Nepal was not allowing repair work for Gandak Dam that takes place in Lal Bakeya River in no man's land. He also said the neighbour, which recently passed a bill to update its map to include Indian territory, had stopped repair work at several other locations. Jha said he will write to the centre, as if this issue isn't addressed timely, then major parts of Bihar will be flooded. 57 minor girls have tested positive for the novel coronavirus at a state-run children's shelter home in Kanpur district of Uttar Pradesh, with 5 of them found to be pregnant and 1 HIV positive. Officials claim the pregnancies began before the lockdown. The shelter home has been sealed and its staff quarantined. The Odisha government today told the Apex Court that it is ready to hold the Puri Jagannath Rath Yatra procession with certain precautions. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the centre, said the government has no objections with the yatra and suggested telecasting it on TV in order to avoid a large congregation of people. Acting on a plea of an Odisha-based NGO, the top court had on June 18th refused to grant permission to hold the festival.